The sentencing phase for Christopher Taylor begins. This comes after a jury convicted him of deadly conduct in the death of 46-year-old Mauris DeSilva. On July 31, 2019, multiple 911 calls came in about a man later identified as DeSilva holding a knife to his own throat at the Spring condominiums in downtown Austin. Christopher Taylor and other officers responded. DeSilva was shot by Taylor and Officer Carl Krisha. The state argues DeSilva was in a profound mental health crisis and needed help. The defense argues Taylor had to protect himself because DeSilva was within 5 feet of him with a knife. For sentencing, the state presented what they wanted the judge to consider, first calling Denzel DeSilva, Mauris's father. He spoke about how his son was a studious, religious man and how his death impacted the family.
Every day my wife keeps his picture framed with the statue of Jesus Christ. Every morning, every afternoon.
The state then called up Brenda Ramos, the mother of Michael Ramos. Taylor was previously on trial for his 2020 death. That case was declared a mistrial after a jury deadlocked last fall. A new grand jury did not re-indict Taylor in that case. The defense initially arguing anything from the Ramos case is inadmissible. But the state says it has to do with Taylor's previous actions. The state also called Tavon Jefferson, who recorded the Ramos shooting. The defense then moved to enter the entire Ramos trial into evidence, which the state objected to.
If they have a transcript of her prior testimony and they want to impeach her with it or potentially offer it, that's one thing. But the entire trial record, it is not admissible.
The state may be choosing to pick and choose certain parts of this other event.
The parties, you need to decide how that gets into record.
The judge says if the state called witnesses from the Ramos case to factor into sentencing, then the defense can too.